The next type of loop is for loop. So like a while statement, except that it tests the condition at the end of the loop body. So let's try to work with for loops. So even you can just see, you pass some certain number of statements, it will go on. If it's no, it will print n number of times, and if the limit or if the limit is reached or the last element is reached, it will execute. So let's try with for loops. Let's do. So using these capital letters will print the uppercase 1 2. Let's just print 8. Let's print S. Now I'll do for loop for I in S, open curly braces, print I. So now I is initialized as S. Let's do this. Here you can see it has printed A B C D E F G. So 8 letters has been printed. Now let's try with some numbers. For X in 1 to 25. Okay, so yeah, this is open, print X. So let's see, it has printed all the numbers from 1 to 25. Let's save the work. We are done with for loops.